Hello there guys, it's Joey and this is a new spell set for the store. This is Wildcrafted Witch Morrigan. So the idea behind the Wildcrafted Witch series is that it's going to be a sort of witchcraft supplies set to aid to help the individual witch in accumulating certain things to go towards their spell work. With it being wildcrafted witch, the witch being me and the wildcrafted bit being important to the particular idea behind the spell set, which is that each of the items comes from my wildcrafting and it's collected with the proper respect, intent and energy. So within the Morrigan set in particular are 3 items which I think correlate really well to Morrigan based protective magic in particular. So we have hawthorn spines or thorns, crow feathers which I've cut up slightly, and rowan berries and leaf. So the hawthorn spines or thorns come from my hawthorn tree which is outside my back door, which I have a deep connection and relationship with, particularly with that deva of that particular hawthorn. And that building up of energy and respect and relationship means that I feel okay to harvest a certain amount from that particular tree, because I have that relationship, that contact with the spirit, the entity, the deva of that particular wildcrafted relationship there. The crows are from the crow feathers which I have collected from my village green, and again I have a relationship with the crows there, and all the feathers are naturally dropped, naturally shed if you like, just on the floor. There's no death element attached to these particular feathers. And I again have a relationship with that space. I go there and I will clean up any rubbish if people have sort of desecrated that particular area, and I go and I speak to those trees and those crows. And then there is the rowan berries, which are from the back of the property, which again is within my sphere, within my inverted commas land if you like, and I have a relationship with the energies around where I live. So in terms of spell work, I think very much that these 3 items correspond to energies of the Morrigan through how I feel about the interconnectedness of plant deva spirits with the goddess deity spirit. Hawthorn is probably one of, I'm going to say it's probably the tree that I most associate with the Morrigan, only because there is no blackthorn on this land, and therefore the hawthorn is sort of my go-to. And your spines and thorns can be used in a multitude of magics, depending on the mindset, ethical mindset and need of the particular witch. You can use it for barrier work, piercing work, you can use it for divination, you can use it very much as a guard, as a shield, as a protectant, a sort of outward fence of spikes if you like. Crow energy is intricately connected to the Morrigan. It can be used for a protective vibe again. It can also be used very much in a divinational sense, a forewarned sense, sort of seeing time as non-linear, seeing past, present and future, so you're getting a grasp of all things that may become a problem in the future, things that are maybe causing you an energetic problem from the past, including past lives. So it's all that sort of energy. And then rowan berries and leaf is known as the witch's tree, and sort of ties into the sorceress element of the Morrigan, who often battled with sorcery and magic. And because it's got this intricacy to the witch as well, being known as the witch's tree, very much about magic and very, very, very protective. Charms and amulets made out of row and go back throughout history. So this is the Wildcrafted Witch Morrigan set, and this will be on store soon. Many blessings.